Alright guys, so I got the stator all unbolted and now it should just come right apart. So let's try and get it to pull up here. It's not like anything to grab off of. There it goes though. Just gotta work it out. Let's see. There it goes. Come on. Gotta work it apart here. Well, it's coming. Just this end needs to come up. I think the seal's holding it in. Okay, so this end's completely off. Just this end where the crank's broken. Let's see here, try and spin it for you guys. Let's see here, how are we gonna get that up? Keep on working it, I guess. Come on. There you go. Come on, it's almost there. Make sure all these bolts are loosened. Oh. Okay. Come on. Man, that's a big bearing. Oh, okay. it goes. There you go, guys, we got it. Alright guys, so we got it apart here. You can see, and then here is the crank end. Just look at that. And then up there, it's completely snapped. And honestly, I don't even know if that's fixable. So, yeah, might have to buy a new crank. I don't know. I'll get the rest of the crank pulled out. And guys, don't worry, I actually did buy a camera. So you guys don't have to deal with my crappy phone one anymore. I'll be switching to that probably in the next video. So just bear with me, guys. This is the last time you'll have to deal with it. Alright, let's get the crank out officially. Let's see here, probably want to maybe flip it on its side here. I don't think there's fixing that. I think that this crank is boned. There we go. Work it there. And then out it goes. Move that out of the way. And then I can move this here forward. Okay. And there it is, guys. Got the crankshaft out of the 13 Rush 800. Snapped the end right off. So we'll see. Now I gotta figure out how we're gonna go about that. Alright, till the next one, guys. I'll update you guys with what the plan is. Alright, so I was working on the motor of the blown up 800. And here's the crankshaft. It's a little busted. And there's the case. And then this one, case. So, yeah. Alright, guys. So, I'm gonna go show this to my dad and see what he thinks about it. It actually ate up the case a little bit too. And in there, in this side too. So I'm gonna go get him, see what he thinks about it. I mean, it doesn't feel too bad, but yeah, we'll just have to see. Maybe that, I don't know. So I'm gonna go get him and try and record his reaction for you guys. Yep, here's the motor all torn apart, both the cases. I just gotta make sure that there's no high spots right here where the bearing was on both halves. It doesn't feel that bad, so I'll probably be pretty good there. And then just gotta clean up the bolts because it looks like salt got in the head or something like that, and just make sure that no dirt's in the cases at all. And then I want to clean out the reeds here where the air goes in, and just make sure that everything's nice and really clean for this. I got my gasket kit over here, and then just gotta clean up the engine bay. And then I'll probably start putting it back together maybe Wednesday, because I'll spend tomorrow cleaning it up and whatnot. But that's the plan.